Hey everyone, Alex from Alf's Mustang Garage. Just continuing on our 66 Mustang 289 project. Ran into an issue on our last video when verifying oil is getting up to all the rockers, and we found there was a few that were not doing so. So today we're doing new lifters. So couple things that I like to kind of point out when doing these is it's very simple. Once you have your intake manifold off and valve covers off, you just have your adjusting nut here for your rocker arms, and you don't have to take these all the way off. You can just kind of loosen them to the point where you can pivot your rocker arm like so. I do this way because I like to keep my rocker arms all in the same spot, and this is a very easy and effective way to make sure they stay in the same locations. So once that's out of the way, you can slide the push rod out of the way, and then most of the time the lifter will come right out with a magnet and some finesse. So I can just grab a hold of it with a magnet right there. And it just kind of slides right out. So sometimes you'll run into these engines that are never had lifters out, and they are sometimes a little difficult. You have to twist them and work them back and forth and pull them out, and eventually they will come out. Now, when installing the new lifter, I like to verify that doesn't have any kind of problems. You should be able to push the plunger down like so, because I have retrieved or received new ones that you cannot do that, and essentially the lifter is collapsed or clogged or something to the effect where it's defective. So make sure your lifters are not defective before you install them. Also, another thing is I do not soak them in oil. I just coat the outside with oil. I also do not manually prime the oil pump until after I've adjusted the lifters. So that's one. You would just continue on one at a time and get them all replaced, and then essentially how I do that.